Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol QD. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Want to get this one updated here. I don't mean to state the obvious, but not only was today a very, very solid day from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for literally a couple of months. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. And this also brings up a very valid question going forward. That question revolves around the fact that, like I said, the price has made a very nice move, considering that just on Tuesday, the price was right there, and now all of a sudden the price closed up at that point. Any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price has definitely made a very, very nice move. But that does now lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at, let's see, what is that? The $5 mark. That makes it easy. So why is $5 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 5. Any sort of breaks below 5, or worst case, the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range, right back inside of that channel that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price did something like this, which would be a pretty drastic pullback. But even with the drastic pullback in this situation, went sideways and then started to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this instance? Well, even with the drastic pullback, you'd still have a set of lows there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, you'd still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, I am just defining and quantifying the phrase progress as $5. What about levels of resistance? As far as where sellers and potential battlegrounds in the future reside, right up there at $6.50 is going to be the next key one to keep an eye on Friday. Remember the not the crypto. What am I? Can you tell my minds on maybe what comes tomorrow? Tomorrow is Thursday, being Thanksgiving. So remember, the markets are closed for Thanksgiving. So Friday is the next day this will trade. But yeah, very nice move. And now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? So we'll see what happens on Friday. But I wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.